Happy Friday, everyone! For today's free product, I'm going to create Christmas serving tray laser design. Free download in the description. You can download more Christmas serving trays on Etsy at 75% off with the promo code YouTube Sale 75. The promotion will last for a month. In order to assemble this design, I need nail file and glue. First, you need to use nail file to clean the parts of the design and remove any excess. I do this to all parts of the design. After that, I start putting together the design. Follow the instructions in the video and you will succeed. Now enjoy the final result. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. You can download this free laser design and many more via link in the description. You can download more Christmas serving trays on Etsy at 75% off with the promo code YouTube Sale 75. The promotion will last for a month.